Welcome to Compare to Win. The best freshwater tackle kit is probably one of the most essential pieces of equipment for any angler looking to conquer the diverse aquatic environments of lakes, rivers, and streams, offering a curated selection of lures, hooks, and terminal tackle designed to entice a wide variety of freshwater species, ensuring you're always prepared for that next big catch and maximizing your chances of success on every outing, making it an indispensable companion for both seasoned veterans and enthusiastic beginners alike. Number 5. PLUSINNO All-in-One Fishing Tackle Box. No more guessing where your lure should be. This comprehensive kit covers every depth, from the surface to the very bottom, ensuring you're ready for any fishing situation. Tired of buying scattered gear? This all-in-one kit provides everything you need to start fishing immediately, saving you time and money. It includes various baits and accessories to create multiple rigs for different waters. Struggling to attract cautious fish? Our lures feature lifelike details and irresistible flash, while all accessories are made from high-quality, corrosion-resistant materials for a long service life and better bite rates. Say goodbye to clutter. This compact, double-layer tackle box keeps everything organized and easily accessible. It fits perfectly in your backpack, making it ideal for fishing on the go in any freshwater or saltwater environment. Looking for a practical gift for the fishing enthusiast in your life? This kit includes everything needed to fish right away, making it an ideal present for Father's Day, birthdays, or any occasion. It's a thoughtful gift for beginners and pros alike. What we like. This kit offers comprehensive coverage for all water depths, ensuring you're prepared for any fishing scenario. It's an all-in-one solution, eliminating the need for separate purchases. If you're a beginner or an angler tired of assembling your own tackle, this is a fantastic choice for immediate fishing fun. What people say. The tackle kit is well organized and comes with a good variety of lures and hooks suitable for freshwater fishing. The included fishing line is strong and durable, holding up well during use. The tackle box itself is compact and easy to carry, with secure latches to keep everything in place. Number 4. GOANDO Fishing Lures Kit. These lures are designed to look just like live bait, even in murky water. Their shiny finish creates a flash that attracts aggressive fish, making even cautious ones bite. You can use this kit in any fishing environment, from oceans to lakes and rivers. It's perfect for catching a variety of fish like bass, trout, walleye, and salmon, no matter the season. This professional-grade collection comes with everything you need in one tackle box. It includes a wide variety of lures and accessories, giving you plenty of options to adapt to any fishing situation. Made from high-quality stainless steel and durable plastic, these lures are built to last. They resist corrosion and deformation, ensuring they perform well and last longer than standard baits. All your gear is neatly organized in a compact storage box, easy to take anywhere. It's a thoughtful and practical gift for any angler, ensuring you have the right bait for any fishing trip. What we like. Experience lifelike realism with lures designed to mimic natural prey, triggering aggressive strikes even from cautious fish. Its universal versatility means it's effective in both saltwater and freshwater environments, across all water layers. If you demand high-performance lures that look and act real, and need a kit that performs anywhere, this is the one for you. What people say. The kit includes a variety of hooks, weights, and lures suitable for different freshwater species. The tackle box is well organized and keeps everything secure and easy to access. The quality of the components is surprisingly good for the price point, with durable hooks and realistic-looking lures. Number 3. PLUSINNO 397 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers, offering a wide variety of essential fishing accessories. Keep your gear organized and protected in this heavy-duty, watertight tackle box. Its secure latches and customizable compartments ensure everything stays in place, even on the go. Create up to 12 different fishing rigs with the included components. This versatility allows you to adapt to various fishing conditions and target a wide range of fish species. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these fishing accessories are built to last. They offer excellent durability, corrosion resistance, and a long service life for all your fishing adventures. Surprise the fishing enthusiast in your life with this all-in-one kit. It's an ideal gift for Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion, providing everything they need for a successful fishing trip. What we like. This kit provides an extensive selection of 12 different fishing rig combinations, offering unparalleled adaptability for various fishing conditions. The durable and watertight tackle box ensures your gear stays protected and organized, even in harsh environments. If you're an angler who values organization, protection, and the ability to set up numerous specialized rigs, this is an excellent option. What people say. The kit includes a variety of hooks, weights, and lures suitable for different freshwater species. The tackle box is well organized and keeps everything secure and easy to access. The quality of the components is surprisingly good for the price point, with durable hooks and realistic-looking lures. Number 2. TOPFORT 228 PCS Fishing Accessories Kit. Introducing the TOPFORT 228-piece fishing accessory set. It includes almost every accessory you could need for any fishing condition, ensuring you're always prepared. Crafted from anti-corrosion stainless steel, these accessories are built to withstand the harsh marine environment. They are designed to attract more fish and provoke strikes, enhancing your fishing experience. Keep all your gear neatly organized in the included tackle box. Each accessory has its own compartment with a translucent cover, making everything easy to find and access. This fishing tackle set is incredibly easy to carry. Its compact size and lightweight design mean it fits perfectly into your fishing seat box, backpack, or vest pocket. Looking for a great gift for the fisherman in your life? This comprehensive kit, presented in a convenient tackle box, is ideal for any occasion, especially holidays like Christmas and Father's Day. What we like. This set boasts a wide variety of essential fishing accessories, all crafted from anti-corrosion stainless steel for durability. Its compact and lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry, fitting perfectly into any fishing bag or vest. If you're looking for a portable, reliable collection of fundamental fishing tackle that won't break the bank, this is a great pick. What people say. The kit is well organized and contains a good variety of tackle for freshwater fishing. I was impressed with the quality of the hooks and lures included in the kit, they held up well during use. This kit is perfect for beginners, as it provides all the essential items needed to start fishing without having to buy everything separately. Number 1. OJYDOIIIY Bass Fishing Lures Kit. Are you a serious angler or looking to become one? This is the bass fishing kit you've been waiting for. It features the most essential and effective baits and lures for your next trip. This isn't just a random collection of lures. Each bait has been carefully selected for its effectiveness and ease of use, perfect for local fishing conditions. Choose quality with this fishing tackle kit. All the included baits have been tested and proven to be attractive and durable, ensuring they stand up to the challenge. Looking for a great gift? This set comes with a high-quality tackle box filled with essential gear, making it an ideal present for any man or child who loves fishing. While primarily designed for bass, this versatile set is also effective for catching pike, catfish, trout, walleye, and other popular game fish. What we like. This kit features a hand-picked selection of effective and easy-to-operate bass fishing lures, specifically chosen for their performance in U.S. waters. It's a quality choice, with all baits tested for effectiveness and durability. If you're primarily targeting bass and want a curated selection of proven lures without the guesswork, this kit is ideal. What people say. The kit includes a variety of hooks, lures, and weights suitable for different freshwater species. The tackle box is well organized and keeps everything secure and easy to access. The lures are realistic and have proven effective in attracting fish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.